Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript regex tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Match single characters not specified. So we're going to learn about this character. Looks like this. And what it does is everything that's not one of the following characters afterwards. So for example, we have this regex and we have the brackets, and now we see the caret. So all the characters that are not A, E, I, O, U, it matches. And it's important to note that characters like that, like all these, are included, as well as white spaces are matched as characters not included in this. So for this exercise, it wants us to create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number or a vowel. So we gotta change this. So we're gonna do a bracket, and now we do a caret that's not a vowel. So it's not A, E, I, O, U, and then not a number, a digit between 0 to 9, and that'll cover all the numbers. And now we close it, and now we do global and ignore. And for this, we have to match it in the results. So we do quote sample dot match, and my regex goes in the parameter. And now we can check results by console logging it. And we're going to see here everything that's not a vowel or a number. We see the space is matched. B, it doesn't get number 3, and it doesn't get the I, and so on. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.